How can you play your own chord voicings and chord extensions? Welcome to part 4 of this tutorial. In this lesson I will teach you 3 steps. First step, use chord extensions. And second step, use chord voicings. And the third step, emotional pacing. Again, look at the picture, our story. How to play your piano to express the emotions of a soldier thinking of his little daughter at home. How to use chord voicings and extensions to express love and longing. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools for cinematic piano playing, chord voicings and extensions. So let's go to the first step, chord extensions. Let's start with the basic triad. We'll take C major. This is C, E and G. It's simple and clean. But now watch what happens when we add some extensions. Let us add the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is sound. Let's go to F major and add the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or let's add the number 9. This one, C major and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or the 2, it's the same. It's this sound. Or F with a 9 or 2. Or A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or the 2, it's the same. This is foundation of cinematic harmony, layered, suspended emotions. So let's play part 2 of our improvisation. I think you remember this one. In the left hand we have F major, G major and A minor. But let's add the number 7 for the F, 9 for G and 9 for A minor. Once again. Listen to how each chord leads into the next with richness and tension. These aren't just chords, they are colors. So we can add several extensions. We go to the F, we can add the 7, but we can add the 6. G with the 6 and A minor with the 9. Once again. Okay, let's go to step 2, chord voicing. Let's talk about how you can play these chords. A common cinematic trick is using spread voicings, as we have learned in our last session. So this is F with an F and A and C, but we spread the tones F, C and A, and we add some extensions. The 7 and the 4. Very interesting sound. Let's go to part 2. Let's go to G. G with spread voicing. G, D and B, and we add the number 9. and A minor. This is spread voicing A, E and C, and we add the 9. Let's go to the first part of our improvisation and let's use some chords tightly. But we use some extensions, so C major, and we add the 6th and the 7th. And then G, we add the 4. And F, we add the 4. So let's play. Very interesting. So let's spread the chords. Once again. By spreading the chord across the keyboard, you leave space, and that space creates atmosphere. So, and don't forget the pedal. Let it lure gently between chords for that ambient glow. So, now let's go to step 3. Put this into our improvisation. All what we have learned. Chord extensions, chord voicings, and chord inversions. What are chord inversions? I think you remember. This is C, root position. Let's put the C here. This is the first inversion, and this is the second inversion. Root position, first inversion, and second inversion. A minor, root position, first inversion and second inversion. Let's play it all together. Extensions, chord voicings with inversions, and let's use emotional pacing to control the flow of our improvisation. Have a listen. Part 1. Part 2. So, in this case, we use F, but we skip the A. We use the G, but we skip the B. And we use the A minor, second inversion, but we skip the C. It's very quiet and simple. Now let's add some extensions. F, a second inversion, but we skip the A and we add the 9. Same with the G. Very interesting once again. So let's use the combination with the spread voicing. So I will keep repeating myself. You have such a wonderful musical gift. You can learn to improvise, no matter if you are a beginner or more advanced. What you need is a structured path. It is important for you to have a way of learning, one step at a time. Melodies, chords, chord progressions, dynamics, voicings, structures. My free guide will help you step by step. You can download it in the description. And if you enjoyed this, leave a like and let me know in the comments how you apply voicings and extensions. In the next session, I will teach you how to apply counter melodies. Thank you for watching, keep creating, keep feeling, and I will see you in the next video.